Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through how to set up Desh Tunnel VPN application on your Android, iPhone, and Windows. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And in case of any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that we can interact more. You can comment your network and you can comment your country. Then let us start up our tutorial. First and foremost, open Google Play Store. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share it to your friend, best friend. Download, activate the search bar, and after activating it, you're going to download Desh Tunnel VPN. That is the spelling. Take note of the app icon. Take note of the app name. And then after downloading, install. After installing, open. And then during opening, you may be requested to allow some permissions, most of the notification permission, allow permissions, and then keeping in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and community guidelines. Then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Then do this. First step, we're going to start by updating the servers. By checking the updates where I'm pointing step by step, let us go on and then we'll set up this application beginner friendly, step by step. Even if you have never set it up, or even if you have never set any VPN application, you are in the right place and this tutorial is right for you. So let us update the servers, and then we are going to wait for a few seconds for it to update the servers until we see a message that no updates are available. That is a clear indicator that this application is going to work for you. So secondly, press OK, and then you're going to come step by step, beginner friendly. Even if you have, I'm not going to use complicated science words during the procedure. So go where you have auto select server, then check on that box, and then after you can be seeing that we have many servers, but they are all OpenVPN servers. You're going to be checking one of them, and then make sure that during the setup of these servers you choose a server that is almost near or your country's location. That is it. But most of the times I recommend my viewers, subscribers, to always keep in the auto select server, because once you keep in the auto select server, it will automatically choose a server that is best performing on the network. So keep in the auto select server, and then this is what we're going to do next. Next, we're going to come where we see this one, or where I'm pointing like this. And then once I come right there, I'm not going to use complicated tech words because viewers may get confused, and this tutorial is purposely to communicate, not to confuse. Now, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, like the video and share. If you get any problem, I'm the only tech master available in the comment section, replying to each and every comment. So you're going to come from here to here, from recommended to all networks. But if you're in Uganda, you can try those, but let us continue because I'm going to be providing you with a server that works in all countries, super fast, stable, and secure, to provide you with an extra layer of protection so that you can browse online safely and protected. So let us choose all networks, and then after choosing all networks, we're going to try to scroll. Those are if you are from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, you can be trying these servers, and try those servers from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But I'm going to be showing, you can scroll and then look for your country, or you can wait for my server. My server, to get my server, you can just head over to your search bar. You can also type in your country and choose any UDP server from your country. But to choose a server that will be working in your country, you can type in UDP, and you'll be provided with these servers. We have a worldwide UDP, and you have this one. Choose the all country UDP net. So guys, we're going to do this. Before connecting to this server, make sure you first enable airplane mode and then disable it, or turn airplane mode on and then off. After turning it on and then off, you can start and accept the VPN service or the connection request, and then wait for a few seconds for it to connect. As you see, it has connected successfully. That is under device. So if it fails to connect, this is what we're going to be doing. What if it fails to connect? Because many of the viewers may be setting this application and it fails to connect. These are the troubleshooting methods before you leave the video, because you may also experience the same problem. Viewers may be experiencing that it has failed to connect. If it fails to connect, reconnect again, or clear the app data, or clear the cache, or you can turn airplane mode on and then off. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friend. Marus Tech, I sign out.